So we're having a hard start when the engine's hot. I know I started this video a little late. But anyway, we took the fuel rail out, had everything hooked up, powered on, key off. And I don't know if you could see by the color difference in the paper towel here, but this section here is all wet. So this injector was leaking, this one's leaking a little bit, and also back there is leaking a little bit, but this one is the huge leak. So we have some other used injectors. We're going to put them on and see what happens. And what we did yesterday, we put a fuel pressure gauge there and we checked it, keyed on, powers up 50 psi. But then when you shut the engine off, start the engine, then when you shut it off, it drops to about 30 psi within probably a minute or 2 minutes. So we knew it was leaking somewhere. We were going to pinch the hose today, hook up the pressure regulator again, pinch the hose before the valve and after the valve to see if it was leaking back into the tank. But we just guessed it wasn't because it's a new fuel pump. So we just said, screw it, pulled the injectors, keyed on, keyed off, and for sure this is what we were thinking. We got a leaky injector there, which is kind of causing a flooded condition when we try to restart the vehicle after 5 minutes or 10 minutes after the engine's hot. She doesn't start right away, a lot of hard cranking, and then she'll eventually get started. But anyway, we're going to replace these, see if it solves the hard crank when hot condition.